Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel disturbed and annoyed because there's a lot of message from unknown number that keep coming to your inbox, don't need to be worried guys, because you can auto block them on the inbox, so that when you turn on the feature, the message that from unknown number will automatically block before coming to your inbox. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to message on your cell phone, and then you can click three dot on the right top and go to spam and block. And then after that, now you can click three dot on the top and click block number, and then now you can activate this feature so that you won't receive calls or text from unknown number. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much.